A lot of times we get the question is, hey, you got all these plans. Is there a way that we can adjust this or make this our own home? And absolutely, you can definitely make this your own home. We can make all them adjustments whatever way you want, and we can flow with that.
So you like the homes that you're seeing with us, but you wish it was in a different location or you wish it was a different layout. And there's really very easy solutions for that. Typically, we have 5 to 7 additional homes going in the same area, different floor plans, maybe a different neighborhood, but within a few miles of each other. And so if you don't like the exact home you go and look at, no problem, talk to us. We've got plenty of other solutions.
A little fun fact about all of our plans, they're all named after my kids and Mike's kids. He's got 5 kids, I've got 2 kids, and there's the Emma and the Jonathan.
Macy, Bryce, Kinley, Marin, and Grace. Now, you have another kid named Wolf, don't you?
No.